The Mender cleansing hair repair formula resurfaces hair's outer cuticle layer for renewed strength and smoothness using our Advanced ApotheCARE approach. By design, this shampoo with coconut milk removes impurities and repairs damaged hair without stripping hair's natural oils. Restorative shampoo formulated with refined coconut milk, extracted white jasmine and distilled vitamin E. Combining precisely selected ingredients and cutting-edge science, our paraben-free shampoo is also silicone-free and dye-free. An intoxicating fragrance with scents of white jasmine, coupled with fruity, warm notes. The Mender Shampoo from ApotheCARE Essentials is a cleansing hair repair formula that removes impurities without stripping hair's natural oils. While it cleanses, it also resurfaces hair's outer cuticle layer to renew strength and smoothness. Combining precisely selected ingredients and cutting-edge science, the Mender Shampoo is formulated with refined coconut milk, extracted white jasmine, and distilled vitamin E to repair fragile or damaged hair. It has an intoxicating fragrance of white jasmine with fruity, warm notes. What's in the box? ApotheCARE Essentials. The Mender Shampoo, 12 ounces. Top reviews from the United States. Lids. Please tighten lids before shipping 3 out if the 4 were loose and liquid was all over the box. I didn't lose too much, but hopefully this will prevent losses for future orders.